Assalamu alaikum students. This is English A class for grade 5 and this is the fourth lecture of lesson number 1, The Cave That Talked. And today we are going to do the written work of book exercise. Okay students, now open your book and write date, day and classwork at the top of page number 7. Students, keep in mind that your writing should be very neat and clean. Starting with part A, fill in the blanks in list B with nouns that come from the verbs in list A. For example, the noun protection comes from the verb protect. So students, as you all can see that in this exercise हमें दो list provide की गई हैं. In list A, we have given 5 verbs and the list B is empty. So what we have to do is we have to fill list B with the noun that comes from the verb in list A. For example, the word protect is a verb and the noun that comes from the verb protect is protection. Similarly, list A has all the verb and we have to write the noun of each verb. First verb is enter and the noun of enter is entrance, comma, entry. Second verb is greet and the noun of greet is greeting. Third verb is discover and the noun of discover is discovery, comma, discoverer. Fourth verb is think and the noun of think is thought, comma, thinker. Fifth verb is hear and the noun of hear is hearing, comma, hearer. Now coming to part B of book exercise. Okay students, so what we have to do in this exercise is we have given 4 options for each statement. We have to read each one of them very carefully and then हमें सही आंसर को टिक करना है. Number 1. How did the lion find the cave? Lion को cave कैसे मिली? Option number A. He wandered along a path. वो रास्ता भटक गया था. Option number B. He walked through the forest. वो जंगल में घूम रहा था. Option number C. He fell down a hill. वो हिल से नीचे गिर गया था. या ऑप्शन नंबर डी. He lost his way. वो अपना रास्ता भूल गया था. The answer is option number C. He fell down a hill. Number 2. Why did the jackal think there was an animal in the cave? जैकल को ऐसा क्यों लगा कि केव के अंदर एक एनिमल है? ऑप्शन नंबर ए. Because he saw footprints near the mouth of the cave. क्योंकि उसने केव के सामने फुटप्रिंट्स देखे. ऑप्शन नंबर 2. Because he saw footprints going into the cave. क्योंकि उसने फुटप्रिंट्स केव के अंदर जाते हुए देखे. ऑप्शन नंबर सी. Because he could smell it. क्योंकि वो स्मेल कर सकता था. या ऑप्शन नंबर डी. Because he could hear it. या क्योंकि वो उसे सुन सकता था. The answer is option number B. Because he saw footprints going into the cave. 3. Why did the lion think the cave would not speak to the jackal? Lion को ऐसा क्यों लगा कि केव जैकल से बात नहीं करेगी? ऑप्शन नंबर ए. Because the cave could not talk. क्योंकि केव बात नहीं कर सकती थी. ऑप्शन नंबर बी. Because the jackal had gone away. क्योंकि जैकल जा चुका था. ऑप्शन नंबर सी. Because the lion hadn't greeted the jackal. क्योंकि lion ने जैकल को ग्रीट नहीं किया था. या ऑप्शन नंबर डी. Because the lion was there. क्योंकि lion वहाँ पे था इसलिए. The answer is option number D. Because the lion was there. Okay, now coming to 4. Why was the lion hungry? Option number A. Because the younger lion had taken his food. क्योंकि एक younger lion ने उसका खाना ले लिया था. Option number B. Because he refused to find food. क्योंकि उसने खाना ढूंढने से रिफ्यूज़ कर दिया था. Option number C. Because he was too old and weak to find food. क्योंकि वो बहुत ओल्ड और वीक हो गया था खाना फाइंड करने के लिए. या ऑप्शन नंबर डी. Because he had been walking for a long time. क्योंकि वो बहुत लंबे टाइम से वॉक कर रहा था. The answer is option number C, because he was too old and weak to find food. Okay students, now it's time to write down your home task. Learn and practice of book exercise in AR lesson number 1. Take care of yourselves and Allah Hafiz.